Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate Google Analytics 4 with Shopify. Firstly, you need to do it through Preferences. Go to Online Store, then Preferences in your Shopify admin panel. Scroll down to find Google Analytics, then look for a yellow banner saying Manage Pixel here, then click on it. You'll be redirected to the Google and YouTube channel app. Or you can use the search bar. Use the search bar in your Shopify admin panel, search for Google Channel app, and click on Google and YouTube from the search results. Once in your Google and YouTube channel app, click Connect to link your Google account. Log in with your Google credential, then scroll down to connect your Ga4 properly. Select your account from the list and click Connect to link it to your store. Now, test the setup. Install the Google Analytics Debugger Chrome extension. Enable the extension by clicking its icon and making sure the on ribbon is visible. Go to your web shop URL with the extension enabled, then visit Admin, then Debug View in your Ga4 properly to see events coming in. If you see events in Debug View, your setup is successful. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.